guys, Chantal here from Nerdy Mama, and today I wanted to tell you a little bit about this channel. So, let's do this. Okay, so as crazy as it is, this is my channel trailer for all the DIY that I'm gonna do on this channel. We're gonna do a little bit of this, a little bit of that, a little bit of this, and some of this, maybe a little bit of that. And the reason you're seeing this is because you have not subscribed yet. What? So go ahead and do that. Hit the subscribe button. And if you want to be notified every time a new video hits, which is weekly or sometimes twice weekly, so it's not like I'd be sending you all the notifications then go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the little bell right next to it so that you get notified every time a video drops. But we're definitely gonna have fun, and that's the whole point of this channel. We're gonna do DIY projects around the house, in the workshop, just for fun, that are just cool. And I'm gonna try to make them as simple and as easy and as quick as possible so that you can recreate them. And maybe you can just laugh at my learning curve. Any old time, I totally would love a little comment love if you guys want to give me tips or tell me how you did it. Because at the end of the day, this is a community, this is where it's at, and we're gonna have fun doing a little DIY. So let's do this.